Right, quick look then at EOS, and EOS is one of those coins I've been following for a while now because it does make big moves up and down. So I've been doing lots of margin trading on it, but at the moment it's getting pretty dangerous again. It was making some big moves against Bitcoin just yesterday, in fact. Let's have a look at this. But I say big moves. I mean, whatever Bitcoin seems to be doing now, EOS is amplifying those moves. But yesterday it kind of broke the mold and actually went up while Bitcoin was actually going down. So it suggests that it's playing its old little tricks of weaving around, dancing about, being a bit more unpredictable. Again, when I'm making trades on things like this in this market, and like I say, the market does appear to be bearish in general, and Bitcoin's bearish as well, and the crypto market cap is lower and lower and lower every time, and the Bitcoin dominance is sort of getting higher too. I would probably, don't know why I did that, I'll probably be looking more to do shorts at certain levels, but with EOS it's very difficult because it like I say, with that move it did yesterday, it stopped me out. And when I make margin trades, what I do is I like to wait for an appropriate time to put a short in, and then I basically put a stop limit just extremely tight in that, so I expect it to go my way, and if it doesn't go my way I haven't lost anything. And it stops me out a few times, so I'm actually just going to wait and leave it now, to be honest with you. It's showing signs of strength, but the market in general is showing enormous signs of weakness. When we're looking at it on the daily chart, it certainly looks bearish. We'll look at it on the 4-hourly chart to see if we have any other ideas, and there's really very little to go by on this. We can see that we've had this curving up, but it suggests to me that we still want to come back downward beneath 10 simple. And it's all about how this weekly closes, which is going to close obviously in about what would that be, 13 hours from now. So yeah, it's not looking too good, let's just say that. We've got crosses on, we've got death crosses on 4-hourlies. Let's have a look on the 12-hourlies actually, see how that looks. We're not looking good at all, and daily beneath all moving averages, and just crossed beneath the 0 point in a bearish posture. So again, it's everything's coming down, and EOS cannot escape that. And I would expect that EOS will be taking a big tumble alongside Bitcoin when Bitcoin decides to fall, and Bitcoin will be falling. It's just a matter of time now, but Bitcoin will be falling, and it's only when it's fallen and reached its bottom that we can really start to pick up and build upon these. A lot of the time, I've got to say that it's going to be very difficult to find any kind of bullish setup on these charts, because with moves that we've been having recently, indicators are going to lie to you. Really, there's not a great deal you can look at to go, oh yeah, we switched to bullish in a situation like this. All I can say is that it's certainly going to be bearish. You're more likely to make money doing shorts than you are doing longs. Let's just face it. And look, I mean, we've broken right down here in the RSI, so it might be picking up ever so slightly. But this is also how Bitcoin looks. So my thoughts is that all these coins, that are in this same sort of setup like this, are going to hang around here, perhaps maybe for 24 hours, and then after 24 hours we're looking for continuation to the down. When I say 24 hours, it could fall any second now, but it's going to find a bit of time to reset, get back into this zone here, and then it'll take another big tumble again, similar to the ones we saw with this one here. We'll see another one of these at some point soon, and that's all I really have to say on EOS. You can say the same about Ethereum. You can say the same about Litecoin is finished, really, isn't it? It's completely wrecked, along with pretty much most coins. XLM wrecked, Tron wrecked. The small value coins such as Tron will make big moves up and big moves down. Same with XLM. XLM will make big moves up, big moves down. But things like EOS, it will be making big moves up, big moves down. But I think the likelihood of it all coming quite far down now to rediscover new lows, and that's pretty much with all coins. New lows are almost certain at the moment. Like I say, we've all got to be keeping our eyes on Bitcoin, and everything that we see with Bitcoin is bearish. and what we're really looking to see is for Bitcoin to come down to test this little area here on the weekly, and hopefully reverse from there, and maybe build a base around here, and then everything can start to move up. Interestingly enough, however, it can't stay down here for very long. It can't stay down here for very long. So, but anyway, yeah, that aside, EOS not looking great. Let's get our fingers on the short triggers. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so it's not financial advice. But be very careful when you're trading, because we are looking like we're in a bear market now. I don't think we're in a bear market for indefinitely, but we are all looking very, very bearish, and we should be very careful about how we trade our coins. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and take it easy.